Welcome to Homeoed, your gateway to excellence in homeopathic education. In this presentation, we'll take a closer look at the range of courses we offer to help you achieve your academic and professional goals. Homeoed is committed to providing comprehensive education in homeopathy. With a team of experienced educators and a learner-centric approach, we aim to create the next generation of our homeopathic practitioners. The last BHMS, the final year courses include the crash course for fourth year students, having or containing all the fourth year courses, the BHMS fourth year full course or the regular course, and the BHMS fourth year test series. After the BHMS courses, we have the competitive courses, amongst which the first one is the MORO course. The next is the AIP GET or UPSC entrance exam course or PG entrance exam course. And last but not the least is the exit exam course in the competitive sector. All these competitive exam courses include all the subjects from first year to final year.